This is our take on the traditional Mexican dish known as albóndigas soup, or sopa de albóndigas, and that's just meatball soup. This is not a traditional recipe, this is our take on it, but it is a delicious way to enjoy the flavors of Mexican cuisine. So we start off by making our meatballs with ground pork, and we add in uncooked rice, and that rice is gonna cook as the meatballs simmer in the soup, and it's also gonna help keep them together. It's kind of like a binder. And then once we have our meatballs formed, which they're loaded up with tons of herbs. It's so delicious. Then we're gonna cook down some onions. We're gonna add in some tomato paste, which is a heavy hitter ingredient, adds a ton of depth of flavor. And then some garlic and Mexican oregano. It's really important to use Mexican oregano if you can find it. You're gonna find it dried, not fresh. It's a little bit more floral than regular oregano. If you cannot find Mexican oregano, you can also use marjoram, or our least favorite substitute, but one you can definitely use, is regular dried oregano. And then the rest of it's pretty simple. Toss in a ton of vegetables, some diced tomatoes from the canned diced tomatoes, and some broth. Add in your meatballs once that's all simmering. You're gonna cook that until the meatballs are cooked through. The rice is gonna be tender, the meatballs are gonna be tender. And then right before serving, we add in some zucchini and let that cook just until it's softened, and we add in some fresh cilantro. This soup is hearty, it's delicious, it's hearty and light, so it's a perfect weeknight dinner, and it feeds a lot of people. Let us know if you make it.